Yahoo! Hello, hello, hello mga masters and mga ka-G! Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning po sa inyong lahat dyan sa Pilipinas at sa buong Asian countries. At syempre, kung saan ba kayong lupalop ng ating daigdig, ay hayaan niyo muna kami ng ating G, the green girly, cutie patuti, iguana, nabatiin po kayo ng good morning, good noon, good afternoon, good evening, at good night na po sa mga ready ng matulog. At syempre, welcome po sa ating second day ng ating episode about Tangelos. Ayun, di ba? Kahapon po ay na-introduce na po natin sa inyo a little bit of Tangelo. Ayun, so if you can remember, Tangelo looks like this. Ayun, meron po siyang nipple. Po ito mas medyo mas ano siya mas prominent po ito. Alright, but before that, before tayo mag-continue, I would like to ask for your thumbs up. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe dito po sa ating channel, Master Worm. Ayun po. So, ito po ang Tangelo. You know. Okay, so we discussed a little bit of its introduction yesterday. Replay na lang po kayo yung ating previous na lecture. So, let's proceed po sa ating next topic about this. So ano po ang nutritional facts about Angelos? Okay? Not only Angelos are unusual fruity treat, okay? But they are also packed with various important nutrients and active ingredients, such as high levels of vitamin C and folate, as well as low levels of fat and a small amount of protein. Oh, may protein din po ang Tangelos, mga masters. There are only 70 calories in an average size Tangelo. Ito po, average size na po ito. And meron po siyang 70 calories pag naubos niyo po ito. Which makes it ideal for those on a diet. So, pag nagda-diet po kayo, itong Tangelo na to, itong regular size na to, is already good for for those who wants to while undergoing diets. In terms of mineral contents, Tangelos contain the modest amount of calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, copper, and iron. Oh, grabe. Oh, they have almost a good number of minerals. Again, we'll repeat it. It's calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, copper, and iron, and as well a significant source of potassium. Ito mga masters of potassium. Okay, so 6% of the daily requirements in a single serving. So meron po siyang 6%, which is already a good source. Angelos also contain pantothenic acid, thiamine, niacin, and riboflavin. So may mga vitamin B complex na rin po siya. Parang vitamin B complex. Again, pantothenic acid, thiamine, niacin, and riboflavin. Okay, these hybrid fruits are also high in dietary fibers. Maganda din po yung dietary fibers po nito, which means it's also good for digestion. Okay? And various flavonoids and antioxidants. So meron po siyang marami po siyang flavonoids and antioxidants na makikita po dito, which can help reduce oxidative stress and improve overall health. Okay, so mga masters, so grabe no. Alright, so let's talk about the facts, the nutritional facts of raw Angelo. Okay, so total lipid fat is 0.2 grams. Carbohydrates by difference per gram is 11.75 grams. Energy po is 47. Water is in grams is 86.5. Ito na lang po yung kinat ko ha. Pero ito po very very mabilis po siyang buksan. Yeah, mas madali po siyang buksan compared po sa orange. Ano po, hindi ko na kailangan pong i-slice po ng ano ng kutsilyo. Yun na, bukas na po siya. Yun, di ba? So, meron po siyang 86.75 na water grams. Sugar, which is a total including NLEA in grams is 9.35 grams. Calcium, it has 40 grams. And then iron is 0.1 milligrams. Magnesium is 10 milligrams. Potassium has 14 milligrams. Grabe no, ganda. And then, phosphorus pala is 14 milligrams. Potassium is 181 milligrams. Zinc is 0.07 milligrams. Copper is 0.05 milligrams. So, yun po. Laki, no? Laki po ng kanyang mga benefit, mga makukuha ditong mga minerals, micro and macro elements. So, what are the health benefits of Angelos? Okay? Angelos are known for their ability to aid in weight loss. Oh my God, kakain ako nito na araw-araw. It can aid in weight loss, mga masters, and strengthen the immune system. Lower blood pressure, reduce inflammation, improve digestive health, and reduce the risk for asthma, among others. Naku, ang daming benefits, mga masters. Check nyo lang po yung ating description below para mababasa nyo po. Just read the descriptions below because I am literally whatever I found or whatever I'm reading right now, it's all on the description below. Okay? So imagine it can help with a lot of health problems. So it can also help with weight loss. Let's talk about the weight loss, mga masters. With a surprisingly low level of calories, Tangelos are great additions to a weight loss diet. In addition to that, there are significant levels of dietary fibers which can help increase feelings of fullness. Lagi kang, pag kumakain ka nito, makakatulong po. Katulad ng apple at avocado. So, parang busog ka. Ang kiwi din, dietary fibers. So, parang feeling mo ay busog ka palagi. So, you will eat lesser. And maganda po yung dietary fibers po. It's a natural dietary fibers. This is better than taking psyllium husks and other loose or a fiber. Yung iba, umiinom pa, they're drinking or taking some drinks to make them poop. But this one is really good. Okay? So, which can help increase the feelings of fullness, which will keep you away from the snacks and prevent overeating. Okay? So, sino po ba sa inyo? Who among you here are eating snacks in between meals? And who among you here are having cravings, like cravings for candies, chocolates, ice cream, cakes, French fries, burger, or anything fatty and greasy? Pag meron kayong ganyan, yun, find a good source of dietary fibers, and Angelo is one of them. Okay, avocado, of course, we have kiwi and other stuff, other fruits and vegetables, right? So it also prevents overeating, di ba? While also optimizing that nutrient uptake efficiency. So maganda kasi na-absorb mo, marami ka pong na-absorb ng mga minerals and vitamins and micro and macro elements. Okay? It boosts the immune system. Siyempre, alam naman natin na citrus helps with the boosting of the immune system. A single serving of Tangelo, ito po yung kanyang single serving of Tangelo, provides 100% of our daily requirement for vitamin C. Nako, isa lang kakainin mo nito, parang uminom ka na po ng vitamin C isang araw ng meron na good enough na hindi ka na kailangan uminom ng inyong mga supplements. Ito na po. Kayang-kaya na po ito. Katumbas na po is 100% of our daily requirements of vitamin C, which can help stimulate the production of the white blood cells and support your immune system against foreign pathogens and potential infections. Very good po siya, the source of vitamin C. Next is increases circulation. Okay? Vitamin B6 and other critical vitamins in this hybrid fruit can help promote the production of red blood cells and keep the circulation flowing normally. Okay, so it can help makes the circulation flow normally. This will help your body oxygenate the areas that need repair and resources the most. Okay? So if you need the repair and resources, yung mga lugar na medyo may poor circulation ka, this contains vitamin B6, which is crucial o providing or production of red blood cells. At saka red blood cells, kailangan po natin sa circulation po natin yan. Okay? So hanggang dito lang po tayo mga masters. Hanggang increased circulation na po tayo. And meron po tayong ibang mga i-discuss bukas. Ito na po yung G natin. Bumalik na po siya. At alam na po matapos na po tayo. At syempre, before we end, I would like to invite you tonight, 8 o'clock in the evening, Philippine time. We have our Team Puyaters Valentine's special. And of course, I would like to greet each and everyone a happy Hearts Day. Happy Valentine's po sa mga nagbe-birthday po dyan. Happy birthday sa mga anniversaries po dyan. Happy anniversary. And syempre, dahil po ay araw ng mga puso, yun po, tawagan nyo na po, sudatan nyo na, i-text, i-message, ano man dyan, puntahan yung mga mahal nyo sa buhay. And yun po, magpapasalamat po ako ngayon dahil umagang-umaga, siyempre sa Pilipinas, kung anong oras na kayo dyan, ay naging bahagi po si Master Worm ng inyong magandang umaga. Siyempre, nandito din yung G natin. Hindi ko na po yun gagambalain. So, 8 o'clock in the evening, Philippine time. Invite ko po kayo. Ako po yung host sa ating Team Puyaters Valentine's Special Premiere Promotion. Kita-kits po tayo at abangan nyo rin po bukas at yung ating next susunod na topic, continuation po. Kahapon po, para gusto nyo pong umpisahan kung ano po ang prutas na ito na hawak ko. Alright, so this is G, the green girly cutie patootie iguana, and your one and only Master Worm. God is great. Yahoo!